Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Unlatch the 4 top tabs of the front bezel and rotate the front bezel away from the PC. Some units will have a dust filter bezel attached to the main bezel. To replace the main bezel or the dust filter bezel in these units, pry the 2 bezels apart until they separate. Remove the front bezel from the unit. Replacement. If installing a new dust filter bezel, press and snap the dust filter bezel onto the main bezel until all edges on the bezels are flush. The front bezel has 4 tabs with cutouts on the top that fit over small metal tabs on the PC. The front bezel also has 4 tabs on the bottom that fit into slots on the PC. To replace the front bezel, align the tabs on the bottom side of the front bezel into their slots on the PC. Then rotate the top of the front bezel into position until the cutout tabs have snapped into place.